Hey everyone, today we're going to work on Craftsman V-Series USA Ratchet that I got in a toolbox. And for all, it looks like it's something's broken inside, which happens sometimes. It'll only turn a little bit either way, and then it binds up completely like solid locks. So it could have something broken, but I'm going to take it all apart if I can figure out how to get it apart and see, let's see. You never know with these things. It might be an easy fix, so let's get busy. All right, we've got this old Craftsman V-Series V44985. And what's going on with it is it kind of will ratchet for a little bit, then it binds up. I just got this actually in a toolbox. So clearly something's wrong, something's broken inside it. Let's see about maybe taking it apart and see if we can figure out what's going on here. It's a little different. It's not really a snap ring here. Not really sure what this is and how it comes apart, but I'm sure this is the thing that does it. I oiled it up to no avail. Let me get a couple of small screwdrivers. This guy seems to be the type that they really didn't want you to take apart. There we go. Alright. Pay very close attention to how this all comes apart and see if something's broken. Well, that's a good sign. This gear is good. So what's broken? Or what's going on in here? Well, that seems good. Is there debris in here? There is a little bit of a solid piece of debris in there. Doesn't seem like that would be responsible for it jamming up. That's really interesting. So, I don't see an issue here other than a little bit of debris in there. So, I'm going to get some cleaner. Look, see if there's any burrs or anything that it would hang up on. No, there doesn't appear to be anything in there either. There's more of that debris, metal shards. Center that. Drop this puppy back in there. I got this metal shard though. Okay, that's good. That's fun. Change direction. Oh, we're good. All right, so now I just gotta figure out how to get that snap ring back in. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some oil in here. I'm using a 30 weight motor oil. And let's see how this thing goes. Around there, I assume. Yeah, and then you just squeeze it. Maybe these will actually come in useful here. Almost. This is a trickier one. I wish it just had a snap ring in here. It's so much easier to do with the snap rings. I'm gonna get this thing really tight and then also get it to compress in. This is like not gonna be an easy one. It's gotta be in there. So I'll show you what I'm trying to do here. Let me just close up. The snap ring's got to be in this ridge. You can see right in this ridge here. And it's got to go in that slot, and then it's got to be pushed down in. All the while, we've got to make sure that this piece will go right in as well, which it doesn't want to. So let's look. Let's put this lever in the most neutral of neutral positions. Right there. Okay. And then this on top of it. We can try. We can try to compress it. Geez, do we get it? Looks like it. Now the question is, was it still going to work? There's still. Let's see. There is one direction. There is two directions. There's the middle. No kidding. All right. I really thought this ratchet was doomed. I genuinely did. I didn't think it was going to come back. I thought that something was broken inside by the way it felt, but nope. Well, good. There you have it. Forged in USA, Craftsman V series. Pretty easy fix. All right, well that was somewhat easier than I thought. I thought I might need a rebuild kit to get that back together, but nope. Just had to take it apart. There were a couple of very small metal shards in there. Maybe that's what was binding it up. It's quite possible. I mean, it's a finicky mechanism with those gears, and maybe those were just in the wrong spot. But yeah, I found two tiny metal shards, about a quarter to half-inch long, but a little thicker than hair. So, but that might have been what was doing it. But now that it's cleaned, it works fine. So it's going in the toolbox. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. It's a young channel, kind of trying to grow it, so that really helps. And hey, if you got an old ratchet like this, or you come across one at a flea market like I did, and it's cheap, pick it up, give it a shot. You might be able to fix it. Don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. Take care.